Google Labs has been making some pretty incredible advancements lately. They've been working behind the scenes for a while other platforms were gaining steam, but they're not slowing down anytime soon. Recently, they just launched Google Lumiere. I'll put a link right here to the video I made the other day. And that was pretty incredible. But they also just announced a couple other really cool tools that I think you will want to check out. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ben Silverman, and my main focus is to really make AI accessible to everyone, but especially creatives who might just not understand what it is quite yet, and want to take their own time to learn at their own pace. I created a platform called my AI Toolbox that really acts as my second brain. I put everything I learn right in there, and right now I am giving it away so you can stay up to date and don't have to go down all of the rabbit holes I have gone down over the past year. You'll be able to find news and tools, sample prompts. Soon I'm going to be putting automations and chatbots and all different sorts of stuff in there. So please check it out. And if you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe. It will really help me out. Okay, so the two new tools that I want to talk about today are image effects and music effects. So I'm going to come right here first and just, if you look at Google's website, this is literally, it's ai.google. You're going to see that AI is a pretty important thing to them. They want to know that they're bringing the benefits of AI to everyone. They talk about their responsibilities and the research. They go into machine learning. I know they have a lot of free classes and free courses that you could take, and it's pretty incredible. And what we're going to be talking about today is what they're doing in Google Labs. All right, I've already opened up that tab, and if you look right here, this is labs.google. And this is where they put a lot of their experiments, right? They put all of their tests. A while ago, I believe I made a video on text FX, which is pretty neat. You're going to have to check that out. But just sifting through here, you should just go through here on your own. It talks about how people use some of these experiments, and they're pretty rad. But what I'm going to do right now is I am going to focus on these two tools. So first I'm going to focus on image effects. I'm going to come right here and I'm going to try it now. So again, if you've used tools like Midjourney or DALL-E, you're going to understand how to use this tool, right? You're going to say, got it. All right. So what's cool about this, well, let me just get into it, and I'm going to just show you what's cool about this. I'm going to put a cute troll driving down Pacific Coast Highway in a convertible. Photo reel. Let's check this out. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to isolate, you see these? The few words that I put, so I can then look through them and put different words if I feel like it. And I can try it in different ways. That's pretty cool, because I mean, like, you could do that anyway, but it just helps guide you a little bit more. So here is a cute troll driving down Pacific Coast Highway. That's pretty neat. Now, instead of a cute troll, what if I do a mysterious troll and I do it sketchy? Okay. It doesn't like my troll. So it violated some sort of thing. I don't know. Maybe they don't like you doing trolls. But let's try cartoon monkey chasing down a banana in a tree. I don't know. Let's see what this comes up with. That is a cartoon monkey chasing down a banana in a tree. Let's try a photorealistic monkey standing up and eating a banana on a table. See, it's that easy. It's guiding me through the process. I think it's pretty cool. And like, so now it's changing up the words, and we'll see what it does over here. That is a cute monkey standing up eating a banana on a table. Here's different versions. That looks a little bit creepy. I like this little guy. And then it puts the prompt right here. I could copy the image. I could copy the prompt. If I copied the prompt, I can start over. I can paste the prompt right here if I wanted to. That's pretty good. Let's say mouse holding a sign that says no cats wanted while protecting his cheese. I don't know. That sounds like a fun one. I really love this thing because ultimately a banner, a billboard, a poster. What else could it say? No dogs wanted. Protecting, attacking, holding, bread, meat, fruit. And that's pretty cool because no cats wanted, the words came out pretty well. Now he's holding it here. He wasn't holding it here. Oh, that's pretty dang cute. And then if you think about it, all right, I just came over to Canva. Now I've got my thumbnail here. I'm going to upload this image. Now what's cool about this, right, is I might not want that whole thing. I just come to edit photo. I'm going to remove my background. It's this easy. It's this easy to do anything. It's pretty incredible. You have to be a pro member of Canva to be able to do this. But like, it's just like, some of these things were only available to people who have spent so much time. And see, what you'll see is it just removed that. So if I just wanted my little rat guy, then I would be able to just come over here and like literally put a shape, send it to back. Now I've got my little mouse. It's pretty cool. That's how easy it is to bring items like this into your thumbnails. You just make an image. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so now that is pretty neat. And then right here, you could like look down. It gives you other recommendations. So right in the program, I don't think any of the other ones are doing this right now. So if I want to put 35mm film, I want to do a film still maybe. So let's see what it is, because I didn't have to put any commas or anything. I didn't have to put any special settings. 35mm film still. Now it's going to redo my image. No cats wanted. That looks like a strange rat. I like that one. That one's cute. That one's cute too. Anyway, you get the point. You can put like natural light, abstract, close up. It literally is helping guide you, and then you can even come in here and then change all of like what it is that you want. I think that's pretty impressive. And then if you put something like that in with Google Lumiere, I mean, Google Lumiere looks pretty incredible, because then I'm pretty much just going to be able to take this and then put it into an animation. And again, this is where all of these tools are going to start competing for the top spot. It'll be pretty neat. Now, I am going to move over to music effects. So let's go down here and let's go music effects. And now I am going to say romantic music. And I'm going to put cinematic romantic music to play behind a man and a woman sitting by a river having a picnic. Orchestra, strings, slow, beautiful. I have no idea what's going to happen. I did not think up any of these songs. I did not do anything. I guess river it picked up. Picnic, slow, beautiful. Orchestra, strings. We're going to see what it does. And see, this is just how cool you can be creative. These are just tools at the hands of people who are creating them. You are going to have to think up the thing that it is that you want to hear. And if I wanted it to be right here, it gives me the option to make it fast, slow, insanely slow. What if I put it at really fast? Let's see what it does. I mean, that's pretty cool. Rock and roll, maybe? All right, that's pretty cool. But look, this, it's guiding me on the bottom. Exciting synthesizer, catchy. I could do this. I don't really know. Oh, picnic party. Those are different types of music. And then you could go back through all of your tracks. That keeps it over here. That's pretty neat. I gotta admit, that's pretty neat. So now, those are two pretty cool tools. And while I was looking up something else, I found this. This is called musiclab.chromeexperiments.com. It gives you all sorts of fun music stuff to play with. So for instance, you can go into Songmaker, right? And then in Songmaker, it gives you the ability to create a song by just tapping on this chart, right? So, and then this is my, and then literally, that's kind of neat too. So you can literally I am not a musician in any mean whatsoever. And then you change it to piano. You could change it to strings. I don't know. Google is doing some pretty impressive stuff. I just wanted to show you a few of the things that I found that they just announced. Keep checking it out. What do you think? Would you actually use any of these for your projects? Let me know in the comments below. Remember, subscribe. See you next time.